Wise Business Tutorial 2023. Set up a Wise Business account for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great and amazing software, okay? And this software is called wise.com, okay? And Wise is an amazing transfer, wire transfer, or wireless transfer, transferring money app, okay? And you can save when you send worldwide, which is their slogan, okay? So this is basically, as you can see, a basic money transferring app. It's absolutely incredible, amazing, completely out of this world. Like, its features are absolutely lobotical, and you will be quite shocked to see all the great features and all the great different types of things that it provides us, okay? So yeah, basically we're going to be talking about this in great depth and detail, so please do make sure that you watch this video till the end so you can learn the whole depth and detail about this video, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, okay? Now, to start things off, what we are going to be doing, okay, is come to wise.com, okay? This is wise.com. And over here, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to pricings, okay, to see all the different things. So Wise fees, only pay for what you use for residents in United Kingdom. Now, obviously, this is the personal account. This is for Wise Personal. That is not what we're here to discuss. Obviously, we're here to discuss a Wise business account, okay? So we're going to click on switch to business. And here we are. We have switched to business. Wise business fees only pay for what you use. So obviously, there's different types of fees. Fair prices, no hidden fees. Spending with your card is absolutely free. Registering with a Wise account takes some money. Holding money in your account is also pretty free. So really great stuff. And even in the payments, you can see payments. Discover how 300,000 plus business customers globally make and receive international payments. You can do pay invoices and a whole lot of other things. So to register, you're going to come here, okay? And to register, I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but you can obviously use any other email that you like, okay? You can use your Gmail, Facebook, whatever. What kind of account would you like to open today? Now, obviously, there's the personal account where you can send, spend, and receive around the world for less. Then there's the business account where you can do business or freelance work internationally. So I'm going to go with the business account. So collect a country of your registration. Now, do make sure to choose your own country, okay? Because it's like really important to choose your own country, because they when it comes to authorization and confirmation, as you can see, they ask your phone number, they ask you to verify it with a code and everything, and it takes a lot of time to go through those things. So obviously, do make sure not to go with some country where you think the taxes are low or anything like that, because that will lead to a vital downfall, okay? You will not be able to verify your phone number. They might even ask your social security number and a whole lot of other things. So yeah, that could be an issue. Now, moving on, basically what you can do is once you're registered with an account, then in the business account, you can obviously do some different transfers. So as you can see, take your business to new places. Sign up for the fast, easy international business account that saves you money wherever you want to use it, okay? So obviously, you also get a Wise card if you want one. Accounts that help you get paid faster. So set up local account details for your business in any of 9 currencies. Then let overseas customers use them to pay you from wherever they are at the same speed as someone who's just across town. Like, it'll take like a matter of seconds. Payment with more bang for your baht, yen, and euro. Make international payments and save up to 9 times with Wise. Choose from 70 plus countries and pay overseas staff or suppliers with no hidden fees or exchange rate markups, okay? So let's say I'm going to switch to PKR, which is my currency, okay? So let's say I want to give it in dollars, okay? So I'm going to switch to, let's say, $1, okay? Now, 1 USD right now is this 286 PKR, okay? Now, obviously, there's a lot of fees that it takes. So there's the debit card fee, which is 0.02 USD, and the credit card fee, which is 0.05 USD, okay? So obviously, it depends on you on whatever you want to use. So their own fee is 0.94, and the credit card fee is 0.02. So the total fees they'll cost is around $1. Okay. So once you understand that $1 is so obviously 0.96 minus $1 is 0.04. So that's how much they will cut. So let's switch to $2. So $2 would be 1.02. Obviously, so whatever you send, $1 will be cut from it. So let's say I want to send 1,900 USD. Okay, that will amount up to this much PKR. So obviously you can go ahead and you can pay invoices by just going over here. And as you can see, pay overseas invoices with your business account, how to pay an invoice with Wise. These are obviously different ways to set up your business account. So obviously you can go here and you can search up different things for yourself. So let's go ahead and discuss all these things. So open your account. Once your account's verified, you can start paying as many as you need in 70 plus countries. You can set up your payments, enter your recipient's bank account details or email address that you can pay from Wise account or with your bank. And you can also pay with your invoice. The recipient does not need any Wise account to get their money. It goes right to their local bank. So you're the one that's going to need your account. The receiver will not need an account. So pretty incredible stuff. And then you can also put in recurring payments, which is also pretty incredible. Okay, so you get the whole point. Pay 1 or 1,000 invoices in record time, get extra help from your team, pay USD invoices to vendors outside US, and a whole lot of more things. Okay, so these are pretty incredible and easy things to get your head around. And then you can also ask them to give you cards. Okay, so first of all, there's the payments where you can, you get payments, pay invoices, receive money, batch payments, payrolls, and a whole lot more. Then there's cards, learn about Wise Business debit cards. You have cards for employees and a whole lot more. You have different platforms with API integrations. There's fees, okay, that you can get your head behind with different pricings and a whole lot more. Pretty great and incredible stuff to actually have for yourself. Okay, so yeah, we basically get the basic idea and the basic gist of this. So yeah, this is how you're going to be working with Wise Business and how you're going to be setting up a Wise Business account. So it's really simple. Just choose a good pricing, choose the proper country and everything, and you should be good to go. There shouldn't be any issue with all those things. So yeah, now if I were to give you a recap, again, all you're going to do is you're going to come on to wise.com. You're going to switch it from, it's obviously going to be switched to personal. Now you're going to switch it from personal to business. Okay, we want to switch it to business. So to switch it to business, you're going to come to send money now. Once you do that, you're going to switch it to business over here. Once you switch it to business, you're going to go on register. And once you go on register, you're going to start registering with all those things. You're going to start, adding money. You're going to start removing money if there is any. And, just do a whole lot of other things to mess around with. And it's just going to be a really easy thing to, talk about and a whole lot more. So yeah, pretty basic and incredible stuff to get your head around. So yeah, I'd say that's about it. So if you enjoyed the video, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.